Hey everybody, it's Jeff again, and today we're going to show you how you can set up SSH access inside Pagely's Atomic Control Panel. Before getting started, I want to make sure that you already have an SSH key pair that you want to use. Just in case you don't already have one, I've included links inside this video as well as down inside the comments to help you out. So without further ado, let's get started. As you see here, I'm currently logged into Atomic and on the main dashboard page. Now we just need to access our settings. And to do that, we're just going to click on this My Settings button on the top right of the page. Now that we're inside our account settings, let's jump over to the SSH setup section by clicking on that SSH button. Since we don't have an SSH username on this example account, we'll need to set one up. All we need to do is enter the new username into this first field and then click the Save button to the right of it. Next, we need to add our public key that we've already generated previously. We can either use the Select File button to upload our public key, or we can paste the public key's contents directly into this box. Since we already have our public key's contents ready to go, let's just paste it in there. And finally, all we need to do is click this Add Public Key button. And that's all there is to it. You can now use your new username and public key to access your Pagely account over SSH or SFTP. Thanks for watching, and I hope I answered any questions that you had today. If you have any further questions, always feel free to contact our support team. They're always happy to help and absolutely love hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.